The No Days heat gun is a high-performance tool designed for heating all of our No Days adhesive products. The No Days heat gun's high-temperature output allows you to apply our glazing and adhesive products quickly and efficiently. This high-quality heat gun is a handy tool for many uses around the home and studio. The low setting on the heat gun is perfect for drying paint on glass projects, as well as drying kiln wash on kiln shelves, while the high setting is ideal for softening and removing paint and varnish, warming and removing hard-to-remove labels, softening putty in stained glass windows, and, of course, for heating No Days adhesive products. When you first remove your heat gun from its box, there's a rubber tab protecting the toggle on and off switch. You can remove this to make it easier to see the control. 1 is low, the circle in the middle is off, and 2 is high. While you're using the heat gun on high, you can change the temperature output to vary between 140 degrees and 1000 degrees Fahrenheit by using the control on the back of the heat gun. Simply turn the gauge to set the temperature lower or higher. The air intakes are the slits on either side of the heat gun and on the end. If you block these areas while the heat gun is running, the heating elements can overheat and cease functioning. To activate No Days adhesives, use setting 2 on the heat gun. When working with many small pieces of glass or tile, be sure to start heating from about 8 inches away and gradually move closer to your project. This way you don't end up blowing the little pieces out of place. There are several ways to hold the heat gun. Use it so that it's comfortable for you to work with. Just remember that the metal tip is hot. Be mindful of where the heat gun is aiming. It can be tricky to tell where the hot air is going because it's invisible. If you hold the heat gun straight up and down, then it's easier to tell where the hot air is going. To heat more of a surface, you can aim the heat gun at an angle, but be sure to check that you're not heating something that you don't intend to. To prolong the life of your heat gun, when you're done using it, make sure to set it upright to let the hot air escape out of the tip instead of getting caught inside the casing and wearing away at the heating elements.